Now we're going to take a look at how to administer a test on the profile of phonological awareness. You will see here that I have one child that I added here, Victor Fernandez. Once you tap on him, it displays his profile, and you can see that he has had one test administered today, the age when he was administered, the teacher he entered, the grade, and he was completed. What I want to show you on this specific video tutorial is how you're actually going to administer the test. The test is always administered by you holding the iPad while reading the questions to the child. If you already have performed a test on that particular child, you can always click on New Test, and you're able to administer as many tests as you want. You can do something at the beginning, at the end of the year to compare. And you can also add new students. If you want to know how to add new students and manage students, make sure you check the other video tutorials. Once you get started, after you tap on New Test, then you have the different areas that you can assess. We discussed previously on how you can assess individual ones. If they're checked green, it means that you're checking. So in this example here, you are assessing isolating, segmenting only. I'm going to go ahead and select Assess All and start screening. Here you can see easily the name of the child that you're screening. And also at the very top, you can see that we are assessing rhyme identification. The app includes a demo, a trial, and the specific items that are actually going to be counted for the scoring of the test. Whenever you're ready, you go ahead and say, cat, bat, hat. Do these words rhyme or do they sound the same? The child will give you the answer. Then you go to the trial. Then you read big, pig, dig. Do they rhyme or sound the same? And you're going to mark correct or incorrect. If you mark missed 4 items in a row, the app automatically moves to the next one. You can always skip a section by clicking on Skip Section at the bottom of the screen, as well as add notes. Now we are here on the second item. If you need to go back, you can always click on the arrow button to go back to the previous screen. If you didn't mean to mark something missed, you can always go back and edit it. But anytime you mark 4 missed items in a row, the app will automatically assume the child does not have that particular skill developed yet, and you automatically move on to the next. Then you have the demo here. This is rhyming production. I'm just going to go randomly mark some responses so that you guys can see the different areas that are included in PROPA. You have blending syllables, and I do want to show you here the add notes. You can type in your own note as it relates to this particular area, or you can select from some of our pre-selected notes, and you can click Add Note. In this case, blends, but provides an incorrect word that is close to the target, and can mark Save. Then we go to blending sounds. P, t, s, t, a, p. What word am I saying? And you go ahead and you mark them. Then we go to isolating. What is the last sound in the word what is the last sound you say in big? And you say g, fun. Then you go to isolating sounds, the medial, and you repeat the same question. And you go to segmenting words. We are in deletions of syllables, and you can see the app is very comprehensive. Then we are substitution initial sounds. And this is there was a final task. You can mark some general observation. He required extra processing time to be successful. Required extra processing time, but it was not successful. And then we're going to mark done. You will see here, based on the time, that I completed one at 11:56, and we have another one at 12:31 p.m. We can preview results. And we can take a look here. Rhyme identification versus production. We have difference in blending and isolation, isolation segmenting, words and blends, deletion, and substitution. It gives you a very accurate information on how the child is performing. You can see here based on the coloring, how they are doing. Then we can also click on Preview Report, which is my very favorite part of the app. We actually automatically give you the detail on how the child is performing on the app. And you can just click Share and share this later.